Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Traveling Prof, and in today's Russian Word of the Day video, we are going to review all the words that we have learned in week 8. Two of the words that we learned this week refer to items that we expect to find on a table when we sit down and want to add a little bit of flavor to our food. These items are, of course, salt and pepper. What is the word for salt?
Соль, соль,
And what is the word for pepper?
перец, перец,
The remaining words from this week were all vegetables that are very common in Eastern European cooking. We'll start with a cucumber. What's the word for cucumber?
огурец, огурец,
And how about a tomato?
помидор, помидор,
Then we also learned the word for carrots. What is a carrot in Russian?
морковь, морковь,
And our last word for week 8 in the Russian Word of the Day video series was an onion.
лук, лук.
Well, that's it, everyone. Thank you for tuning in for this week's review lesson. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new Russian Word of the Day. Пока for now.